Hello. Today we're going to talk about count and non-count nouns. Let's get started. Take a look at the picture. I see two kids. How many kids do you see in the picture? We can count the number of kids. I see two kids in the picture. Look at the second question. How many sands do you see in the picture? Sands. I can't count the sands. Sand is an example of a non-count noun. That's a noun that we do not count. Let's look at some more examples of non-count nouns. Here is a list of non-count nouns. Look at the list. Look at each word. Why do you think the word is a non-count noun? What are the rules for non-count nouns? Let's take a look. First, we do not make non-count nouns plural. For example, we don't say 3 homeworks. Homework is a non-count noun, so we don't make it plural by adding an S. Also, we do not use a or an with non-count nouns. For example, we don't say, I did a homework. We could say, I did homework, or we can say, I did some homework. A or an usually means one, and if you say one, you're trying to count something. So, the rules again, don't make non-count nouns plural, and don't use a or an with non-count nouns.